I finally found an umbrella anchor that actually works. If you've ever used umbrella anchors before, you probably know exactly what I mean. They barely go into the sand and the handles are uncomfortable, and trusting them to keep your umbrella in place always feels a little risky. DIGGO designed this one differently. It drills in easily and goes really deep even into tough sand thanks to its smart body design, engineered drilling blades, and ergonomic handles. It also has a unique pole holding system that grips your umbrella tightly, while DIGGO's strong grip in the sand helps keep everything secure, so you can actually relax without worrying about your umbrella flying away. And check out the attachment loops, such a simple feature, but incredibly useful at the beach. They let you secure the things you want in place, so everything stays right where you need it. Because beach days should feel easy from the moment you arrive. DIGGO. Simple, smart, strong.